persons projected with HIV/AIDS in Benue State are yet to access treatment, as the state is ranked second behind Akwa Ibom. HHF Foundation, an HIV/AIDS advocacy organization, made this known during a press conference in Makurdi, while quoting NEIIS survey that says there is a decline in the prevalence of the disease in the state, except for those within the age of 20 and 25 years, which are highly infected. The state acting coordinator of the foundation, Dr. Dua Kefium, says they are now focusing on the adolescent group, those within and outside schools, to help them, just as she called on the Benue State government and key stakeholders to implement and operate the anti-stigma law, review age of consent and increase funding.
To call on the Benue State government to do more in these aspects that we are talking about, keeping the promise on funding and also operationalizing the anti-stigma law and also increasing the HIV coverage.
Ahead of the World AIDS Day celebration, which comes up every first day of December, AHF Foundation say they're focusing on the youth to help them fight the disease with right information on account of statistical figures.
States, Benue State also has dropped. The previous of Benue State is about 5.3%. The previously it was about 14-point-something%, but now it's what, 5.3%, being the second in Nigeria. Akwa Ibom being number one, which is 5.5%. In done the NICE survey, it also has a great impact amongst our young women.
So our focus this year, from the prevention aspect, we want to give them opportunity to ensure that first and foremost, they get the right information, even know where to access the services. I want to make sure that one, they not also have access to this reproductive and sexual health services. I want to bring them together so that they can be able to be empowered.
Meanwhile, the advocacy and marketing manager of AHF Nigeria, Steve Aborishade, says a group of 50% youth category from within the state and other key partners will engage on HIV/AIDS advocacy.
We are going to have partners, we are going to have government officials, we are going to have NGOs. So we 10 from these regions, and they are coming. Young people who are very active in their communities, young people who can, share knowledge, and that's what we are going to be doing.